welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And today's reaction is very interesting and also highly requested. Now, I'm going to be reacting to a lyric video. This is the lyric video of Aigiri Nandini and it's from the film Solo, which stars Dulquer Salman. If I'm not wrong, of course I'll find out once I listen to it. This is the Mahishasur Mardini in Durga Puja, what we what is recited basically in Mahalaya. That's what it is. Because I'll tell you why. Because when I saw the name, I have danced, like I have performed this thing, the Mahalaya dance. I have performed when I was a kid in front of an audience, during Durga Puja celebrations. So if it's that same thing, which it is, otherwise the name is saying Aigiri Nandini, it cannot be anything else, I think. So this is very close to my heart then. This is extremely close to my heart. And it is, this thing has such positive and strong vibes. It just transports you to another world. It makes you feel so spiritually peaceful, and I don't know, it just puts you in a sense of peace, positivity. That is the mode that you are in after you listen to this. So I'm just gonna go through the credits once, because what I saw just made me so happy, because it says that the music is given by, for this, it is curated by Govind from Thaikudam Bridge, and Masala Coffee. The score is given by Govind. So, okay, I am even more interested to listen to this version of Aigiri Nandini now. So yeah, without dealing this, because this is already like a 6-minute song. So let's get into this. I hope it is that only. And how is this movie? Solo. Is that only? Loving this version. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm just gonna remove this. I'm just gonna remove this. If I don't watch Thaikudam Bridge once in my life live, I'm just gonna regret it. It's gonna become a regret of my life then. This went from putting your mental state in some sort of like in a calm, and then it just goes on full crazy mode. Oh my god. I can't explain it. I really cannot explain it in words what I felt while listening to this. And I'm gonna listen to this multiple times because it makes you feel something that I can't express in words. I honestly cannot express in words, guys. I honestly cannot. Firstly, Aigiri Nandini itself is very close to my heart because I've performed this. Of course, not this version. I've performed the actual original version in Durga Puja. Mahishasur Mardini. I still remember doing this step when. That's why that is the line that I remember very, very clearly. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasur Mardini. So that guitar solo at the end. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know. This is what talent. I think this is what real talent. When you encounter real talent and you are left spellbound. I think this is what I'm feeling right now. This is what I'm feeling right now, guys. This is exactly that feeling. When you encounter something so good that it is beyond your comprehension. Aigiri Nandini, Thaikudam Bridge, Masala Coffee, Govind version made me feel that. Made me completely feel that. And do let me know how this movie is solo because this lyric video has been uploaded in 2017, so I'm guessing it came around that time. This song came around, this movie came around that time, and it's directed by Bijay Nambiar. So do let me know how this film is overall. And I mean, from the glimpses that I'm seeing, Dulquer looks great. He looks absolutely fantastic as always. As always, when does he not look fantastic? He always looks fantastic. This song is beautiful. It was blissful. It was blissfully chaotic to my ears. It was blissfully chaotic. It's something beyond comprehension. I mean, it just puts you in such a zone that you can't explain. I love it. I love it, and I think that is the effect that the musicians wanted to, to make the audience feel. I think so. So yeah, guys, that was my reaction to Aigiri Nandini from the movie Solo. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'm really sorry this got delayed because I know this was being requested for so long and so many times. I used to just keep reading this in my comments. So I hope that the wait was worth it, guys. I hope the wait was worth it. So yeah, guys, that's it from me right now. After I edit this, and I post this and upload this, I'm gonna listen to this version again and again and again. So yeah, guys, that's it from me right now. And yes, I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.